Hello. Well,
This is Hampton Roads sailing today.
I'm all by myself. All my friends have left me.
Oh, that's so sad.
That's alright. I'm gonna go anyway.
All right. I can't even imagine why they wouldn't be here. Because it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Look out for the ice patches. And it's really beautiful out here. Just don't slip on anything. And it's not like it's really, really cold at all. But other than the cold and the snow and the ice, it's perfect conditions out here. Yes, it is. This is hardcore. If you're not out here today, you don't get the badge of honor.